Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to view all group admins on Facebook on your PC with the new update. So let's get started. First things first, open your Facebook account and navigate to the Groups tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the tab to display a list of all the groups you are a member of. Next, click on Your Groups to view a complete list of all the groups you are currently a part of. Once you have found the specific group you want to check the admins for, click on the group to open it. Now that you are inside the group, click on the Members tab located at the top of the group page. This will display a list of all the members in the group, including admins and moderators. To view all the group admins, click on the See All option under the Admins and Moderators section. This will bring up a new window that shows a list of all the admins and moderators of the group. And there you have it. You now know how to view all group admins on Facebook on your PC with the new update. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.